Guys, it's me, the Gaming Pickle, back with another video. Yep, that's right, I said video. And today we're back on this game. And I've done some stuff off camera. Ooh, I have enough to open 3 more of these. Let's see. Dang it, all the same, but wanna see some stuff I did off camera? Let's go to index all. I think that's all, and one of. And someone's trading me. Two of these are opposite. Good. Sure. Throw in one of those. If you're accepting them, it's gonna. No, dude. Alright, well, all my pets are with waster, most of them. I got the max sword, max element, as you see. And if I go to pets, my weakest pet that I equip is this. And also sometimes there's a glitch where this says it's a pack pet, but it's not. My second best pet is this guy. The second rarest pet in the game, Mythic Storm. And my best pet in the game, the rarest pet in the game, Mythic Storm. Someone traded me this for some pets. Pretty sweet. I got my team. Someone's trading me. What? Okay. Since I'm nice. Here, for free. Everyone's gonna start trading. Sorry though, if you trade multiple people and I'm not the first person to trade you, but that. Alright, I'm gonna wait for, if someone trades me and I miss it, I'm gonna obviously trade them back. So waiting for this person to finish up. SSJ is taking up time. Alright, what was gonna be your pet? Ooh. Okay. Hey, take this. Okay. I don't know where this person's going at. Like this? Okay, I take the pet off. Quiche. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. That was confusing. So, alright. Most popular games got scam bots in them. Alright. Ooh, this guy has a good team. Chaos Fusion, Mythic Storm, all those Mythic Storm. Ooh. And I see Steam, your friend Admired Cougar 68 has joined the rally. Why did I say rally? Oh, that person has a pack? This, oh, lucky X person. Yeah. Roblox needs at least try and fix it. Yeah, this is annoying. me see what this person has. I'm going to show them my mega. It's so cool. No, dude, no. Nope. You don't get that for free, my man. Don't get that hard pet for free. Alright, what do you want? Alright. Here. Let's see if he has trading yet. It's still locked. But right now I do have 5.3 billion shards. How does this person keep trading? They are not gonna get all my pet. See. Okay. Yeah, that weird guy. Oh yeah, I completed this guy's quest. Then Tony is Viper on the top island. Yeah, I completed all his quests for excellent token rewards. I don't have any tokens right now. I only have 5 right now, but let's see. Stronger than me. Oh, I was like, he's not stronger than me. Let's see what happens when I fill up my backpack. Elements. Still getting used to the names. But I like how the pets just walk in midair, like, just walk in midair, So weird. Boom. And that's so weird that you guys are not subscribed. So go do that now. Dude. Up to place. What? 3 quintillion. This is just the best. I'm gonna be guys. I'm back after some grinding, as you can see. And some sweet money. And look at my pets. Just look at them. And also, I might do a giveaway in the future. Hang on, let me see what pets I got. I'm gonna do a giveaway in the future. Guaranteeing that. And probably my Cougar 68 might be part of the giveaway. Hang on, I want to show you guys what I gave Amida Cougar 68. Show the fans what you got. I gave him all that. I gave him all that. And also, if he ever needs it, he could borrow my pets. Only borrow, not keep. But like, look at that guy. That guy would give a Mega Cougar 68 like the next rank now. Oh wait. What? No. Oh, I didn't see the 9. Oh, I only saw the 5. Oh. I thought I restarted my recording on accident. It's hard to see through all this wood stuff, but that's going to be at the end of today's video. Just letting you know, next video is going to be a giveaway, so whoever's in my server is going to get some sweet pets. I'm going to hatch a lot, and maybe a Cougar 68 might be in the giveaway. He might get some sweet pets. I'm going to see if I can create any more Chaos Fusions for him of this pet. So, bye. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and the bell for notifications. Bye.